Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krumpiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to use JSTOR articles in Hypothesis without first having to download the article as a PDF. Before getting started, we will want to make sure that D2L is open and that we have signed in. Let's dive in. First, we need to find our JSTOR article. The best way to do that is to go to the Canisius Library website. Note that you may need to sign into your library account. Then, find and click on Databases. In the search bar, type in JSTOR. This will open a new tab in your browser with two options. In this demo, we will use the second JSTOR option, but the process will work the same for the JSTOR Sustainability Collection too. Another tab will open, sending you to the JSTOR search page. However, I already have an article that I want to use from JSTOR. Now, at this point, we would typically have to download the PDF and either upload it to Google Drive or D2L directly. However, with this integration, all we need is the stable URL. This URL is usually below the article information in the upper left corner of the page. We will not do anything with this URL yet, but we will want to leave this tab open. Back in D2L, we need to set up our hypothesis assignment. As we have gone through this in several tutorials, we will only cover the steps quickly here. In a course module, click on Add Existing Activities. Click on External Learning Tools in the menu that appears. In the pop-up that appears, click on Create New LTI Link. You may have to scroll down to find this option. Supply the necessary information in the next page. The LTI URL can be found on the Hypothesis Wiki page. Finally, click on Create and Insert. Then click on the title of the hypothesis assignment. In the page that appears, click on JSTOR. Go back to the tab with the JSTOR article and copy the stable URL by clicking on it. Then go to the Hypothesis Assignment tab and paste the URL. This can be done by right-clicking on the text box, then click Paste in the menu that appears. After you paste the stable URL, hit Enter on your keyboard. Hypothesis will automatically find the article for you. When it does, we may want to read the terms and conditions, particularly if this is our first time using a JSTOR article in Hypothesis. Then hit Accept and Continue. The page will update automatically. Hit Continue in the lower right corner. We should now see a preview of our JSTOR article. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.